deep beneath the Earth's surface, far deeper than any human has ever drilled, nature is quietly performing one of its most extraordinary geological experiments. Under crushing pressure and unimaginable heat, ordinary carbon atoms slowly reorganize themselves into something astonishing. A crystal so strong, so brilliant, and so rare that it would later become the most famous gemstone on Earth. But here's the mystery. For centuries, people believed diamonds were simply rare treasures hidden randomly inside the ground. Geologists now know that is not true. Diamonds follow clues. They leave geological fingerprints on the landscape, signals that trained observers can detect long before the first crystal is ever found. Today, we will explore 10 surprising facts about diamonds that most people never learn, including the hidden natural signs that reveal where these extraordinary crystals may be waiting. And one of these facts completely changed how scientists search for diamonds around the world. Fact 1. Diamonds are born more than 150 kilometers underground. Most minerals form relatively close to the Earth's surface, but diamonds are different. A natural diamond begins its life far deeper than almost any other gemstone. Deep beneath the continents, at depths of 150 to 200 kilometers, temperatures exceed 1,200 degrees Celsius, and pressure becomes intense enough to alter the structure of carbon atoms. Under these extreme conditions, carbon reorganizes itself into a tightly bonded crystal lattice. This structure is incredibly stable and incredibly strong. Each carbon atom connects perfectly with 4 others, forming one of the strongest natural bonds known in geology. The result is the hardest naturally occurring material on Earth. But forming a diamond is only the beginning of its journey, because if the crystal remains deep underground forever, no human will ever see it. Something extraordinary must happen to bring that crystal to the surface, and that leads to the second surprising fact. Fact 2. Volcanoes bring diamonds to the surface. Diamonds cannot slowly travel upward through ordinary geological processes. They require something much more violent. Millions of years ago, powerful volcanic eruptions blasted through the Earth's crust at incredible speed. These eruptions created special geological structures called kimberlite pipes. Inside these explosive channels, magma traveled upward from deep within the mantle, carrying diamonds with it. When the eruption cooled, the magma solidified into a rock known as kimberlite. Today, nearly every major diamond mine on Earth is located within one of these ancient volcanic pipes. Without these rare volcanic events, diamonds would remain forever buried deep inside the mantle. But finding kimberlite pipes is not easy. Most are hidden beneath soil, vegetation, or sediment. So how do geologists locate them? The answer lies in subtle natural clues. Fact 3. Certain minerals reveal hidden diamond deposits. Diamonds themselves are extremely difficult to find, but nature often leaves behind geological hints. When kimberlite eruptions occur, they bring several other minerals to the surface along with diamonds. These minerals are known as indicator minerals. One of the most important is a variety of garnet called pyrope garnet. These deep red crystals form in the same high-pressure environments as diamonds. When geologists discover these garnets in river sediments or soils, they know something important. Somewhere upstream or nearby, a kimberlite pipe may exist. Other indicator minerals include chromite and ilmenite. By mapping where these minerals appear, scientists can trace them back toward their geological source. This technique has helped discover many major diamond deposits around the world. But even when diamonds reach the surface, they often remain hidden for thousands or even millions of years, because of something surprising about their appearance. Fact 4. Rough diamonds often look like ordinary stones. Many people imagine diamonds sparkling brilliantly the moment they are discovered. In reality, rough diamonds can appear surprisingly dull. A natural diamond crystal often looks like a small piece of cloudy glass or a simple translucent pebble. Without cutting and polishing, the famous brilliance of a diamond is rarely visible. This is why early prospectors sometimes overlooked them entirely. However, experienced gem hunters learn to recognize subtle features. Natural diamond crystals commonly form octahedral shapes, 8 triangular faces arranged symmetrically. Their surfaces may also show tiny triangular patterns called trigons. These small clues can help experts distinguish rough diamonds from ordinary quartz or other minerals. But sometimes diamonds reveal themselves in a completely different way. Fact 5. Rivers can carry diamonds far from their source. After kimberlite pipes erode over millions of years, diamonds may be released into surrounding landscapes. Rainwater and rivers can transport these crystals downstream. Because diamonds are extremely dense, they often settle into river gravel along with other heavy minerals. These deposits are called alluvial diamond deposits. Some of the world's most famous diamonds were discovered not in mines, but in river sediments. Prospectors searching for diamonds often examine gravel bars and ancient river channels. But again, nature provides clues. Heavy minerals such as garnet, magnetite, and chromite often accumulate in the same places where diamonds settle. When these minerals appear together, they suggest the possible presence of diamonds. Fact 6. Diamonds are older than most life on Earth. One of the most fascinating facts about diamonds is their age. Many diamonds formed between 1 and 3 billion years ago. That means some diamonds existed long before complex life appeared on our planet. In fact, many diamonds formed before Earth continents had even taken their modern shapes. Scientists study tiny mineral inclusions trapped inside diamonds to learn about Earth's deep history. These microscopic fragments act like time capsules, preserving information about the conditions inside the mantle billions of years ago. Each diamond, in a sense, carries a piece of our planet's ancient past. Fact 7. Not all diamonds are colorless. When most people think of diamonds, they imagine perfectly clear gemstones, but natural diamonds actually occur in many different colors. Trace elements inside the crystal structure can produce remarkable variations. Nitrogen atoms may create yellow diamonds. Boron atoms can produce rare blue diamonds. Structural distortions in the crystal lattice can generate pink or red diamonds. These rare colored diamonds are among the most valuable gemstones in the world, yet even these unusual colors originate from tiny changes during the crystal's formation deep inside the Earth. Fact 8. Diamonds can form in space. While most diamonds form deep within Earth's mantle, scientists have discovered that diamonds can also originate in space. Tiny diamonds have been found inside certain meteorites. These microscopic crystals likely formed during violent collisions between asteroids billions of years ago. The immense pressure from these impacts can transform carbon into diamond. Some meteorites even contain nanodiamonds, crystals smaller than a human hair. This means diamonds are not unique to Earth, they are part of a much larger cosmic story. Fact 9. The hardness of diamonds has a scientific explanation. Diamonds are famous for being the hardest natural material. On the Mohs hardness scale, they rank at the very top. This extreme hardness comes from the diamond's crystal structure. Each carbon atom forms 4 strong covalent bonds with neighboring atoms. This creates a three-dimensional network that resists scratching or breaking. However, hardness does not mean indestructibility. Diamonds can still fracture if struck in certain directions. Understanding these structural properties is essential when cutting and polishing diamonds for jewelry. Fact 10. The search for diamonds is becoming more scientific. For centuries, diamond discovery relied heavily on luck. Prospectors search rivers and landscapes hoping to find crystals by chance. Today, the search has become far more scientific. Geologists analyze satellite imagery, geological maps, and mineral chemistry. They study ancient volcanic structures and analyze indicator minerals. Advanced exploration techniques allow scientists to detect subtle patterns in the landscape that reveal hidden kimberlite pipes. These modern methods have transformed diamond exploration into a precise scientific discipline. At the beginning of this journey, we asked a question: how do scientists know where diamonds might be hiding beneath the Earth? The answer lies not in the diamonds themselves, but in the clues nature leaves behind. Indicator minerals in river sediments, ancient volcanic pipes buried beneath the ground, heavy minerals concentrated in river gravel. These geological signals guide explorers toward one of Earth's most remarkable natural treasures. Every natural diamond is more than a gemstone. It is a messenger from deep within our planet, carrying a story that began billions of years ago beneath the continents. And somewhere, even now, new diamonds may still be waiting to be discovered, hidden in plain sight.